Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So in this video, what we'll be covering is Tranont's newest system. It's a system that they're launching, and it's a daily health system. And I'm excited about this because this has to do with a lot of health things that I wanted to accomplish. I won't go too much into it right now, but I'm going to actually have Craig Cotter, the VP of Sales, explain it to you more. And this isn't even available to the public yet. That's how new this is. I actually have recently got a package to beta test. I will be doing that soon. But before we get into all of that, I'm going to let Craig explain everything to you more, and we'll go from there. So go ahead and take it away, Craig.
Hello everyone, I want to tell you how excited I am about this daily health system. As you open up this incredible box, you'll see how beautiful it's been prepared to really showcase to you the importance of what this could do to your health. In this box, you are going to find a couple of things. One is you're going to see these incredible products. What is in this is Transform, which is our sugar converting enzymes, which helps convert glucose into fiber. And then you have Activate, which is an appetite control and helps your overall metabolic health. Now, not just products to take, but we're also going to give you a guide. And in this guide, we are going to talk about how to use the products, what to eat, what not to eat, make sure you're getting proper hydration, making sure that you are knowing how to take these products throughout the day. We actually even give you a guide on how to make sure you're getting the proper nutrition, when to weave in these products throughout all of your busy day. It is making it so effortless for you to follow this incredible system. And then we want to emphasize the importance of exercise, of sleep, and of making sure that you are entering into this system in the right mindset to really truly achieve the goals that you want. Now, everyone is different. We understand that everybody's metabolic health is coming into this system in a different way. Some people are going to achieve pretty drastic results fairly quickly. We have seen that. Others might be a little bit more steady, or maybe a little bit longer time to be able to see the ultimate results that they want. Both ways work because you, at the most important part, are doing what your body needs to give it a better overall metabolic health, which is exactly what this system is going to do. And we can't wait for you to try it. We can't wait for you to take it. And we're super excited to hear your results.
See, he did an amazing job, way better job than I would have done. So I'm glad he was able to explain it to you guys, let you guys know what it entails, what it includes, and how it can help you. I'm super excited to actually try this. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll be trying it tomorrow, depending on when you see this. So, like I said, it's not available to the public. You have to be an associate with Tranont to be able to get your hands on this, to beta test it. This will be available to the public towards the end of May. They're going to do a big launch for the public. I'm going to beta test it. I'm going to document my results. Some things that I am actually looking forward to achieving is with this, because it actually focuses on metabolic health a lot, is more of my cholesterol and, like he said, the circumference and everything like that, or my waist, my belly, the belly fat. So I know that metabolic health actually helps with belly fat. So that's what I'm focusing on. I'm hoping I get that. And also weight loss. So that's always a plus, when it comes to getting healthy and being better, a version of yourself. So with that, if you have any questions or concerns about this, feel free to comment in the comment section below, or hey, my number's in the description. I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And also, you can text me if you don't feel comfortable calling me, no problem. So with that, guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can basically stay along with me on my journey to know how this works and if what I think about it, because I'm going to give my honest opinions about this. I'm not going to be biased or anything like that. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And I can't wait to get on the system and the program to actually just do it and see what results I get. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. If you want to know more, like I said, comment and I will answer any questions you have. So until next one, guys, Take care, be safe, and be blessed.